Picture yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, backup camera, keyless start, heated front seat, power driver seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.